The Renaissance was a fervent period of European cultural, artistic, political, and economic rebirth following the Middle Ages. Generally described as taking place from the 14th century to the 17th century, the Renaissance promoted the rediscovery of classical philosophy, literature, and art. The Renaissance began in Florence, Italy, in the late Middle Ages and later spread to the rest of Europe. Initiated by the rediscovery of the classical texts, works by Greek and Roman philosophers, scientists, and writers, the Renaissance was characterized by a focus on the human experience. Art and architecture saw a resurgence of interest in symmetry, proportion, and geometry, inspired by ancient Roman and Greek structures. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Raphael revolutionized the field with their groundbreaking techniques like perspective. It wasn't just religious themes that dominated art. There was also an increase in secular subjects. Artists began exploring human emotion, sensibilities, and the beauty of nature. In literature, figures like Dante, Petrarch, and Boccaccio set the tone for individuality and humanism. The invention of the printing press by Johannes Gutenberg in Germany was a significant breakthrough, leading to wider distribution of literature, increased literacy rates, and allowed ideas to spread more rapidly across Europe. Science and technology experienced substantial advances during the Renaissance. People like Copernicus and Galileo proposed theories that defied traditional scientific beliefs, and new fields of inquiry were opened up. The period also saw developments in cartography, anatomy, astronomy, and engineering. As the Renaissance progressed, it encouraged intellectual freedom and inquiry, promoting the idea that humans could understand and change their world. This period was also critical in laying the groundwork for the Age of Enlightenment, which further expanded ideas about democracy, individualism, and rational thought. In summary, the Renaissance was a transformational period that had far-reaching consequences for European culture and society. It marked the transition from medieval to modern times and fostered innovations that ultimately shaped the trajectory of world history.